Dance moves, boo. Show me the Michael Jackson. Yeah. He did. Okay, let's see some more. Wow. Good round off. Woo! It's okay. Let's see some of the arm things you were doing earlier too. Wow, pretty cool. It's got the spring.
I learned both of these moves from Shake It Up.
You did? That was good. That was cool.
And I learned that from Jordan.
You guys dance on the playground?
We do dance contests and I win every time.
You do? Because you have those long limbs.
That's what I was using today about the hurting thing. My limb was really hurting.
It was? Your limb was?
This is the jerk. It's a jerk.
That's called the jerk?
It's
pretty cool.
It's a backwards walk. And you have to do it like this.
Feel it. Okay. I'm going to stop recording. Okay, we got to